If you are just getting started in your YouTube journey, here are 3 really simple setups that you can use to film yourself. Now, before I cover the 3 of them, I'm going to point out 2 things. First one being the mic is going to be the same one for all the setups, along with the handheld tripod or the main tripod. So the main options are going to be changing is how you're going to film yourself. Now, starting off with the cheapest one is going to be the thing that's in your pocket. That's right, your phone. Let's face it, everyone's got one, and nowadays they are fantastic cameras and they can do more than enough for what you need to start off on your journey. And here we go then, this is what it looks like. This is the iPhone 16 Pro. I've got it in the cinematic view, so it gives you that kind of bit of background blur. The f-stop is down to 2. So yeah, it's a really nice, hopeful separation between the background and myself. Now for me personally, as a beginner, the phone's fantastic because you can change the settings you need without getting too deep into the world of pure manual settings. So for this, I've got it at 4K 30. If I was going to be doing any form of potential slow-mo style or B-roll, I'd do it on 4K 60 just to give me that capability whilst editing. But yeah, 4K 30. Auto white balance, cinematic, and just let it do its thing. Now looking at the price then, for me, I class the phone as free because everyone's got it in their pocket. It's not something you need to buy extra to be able to get started to make these videos. For the audio then, I am using the DJI Mic Mini with the receiver transmitter connected to the iPhone. And I've actually got the receiver in the phone as well. Now you don't have to use the receiver, you can just buy the Mic Mini itself and connect it via Bluetooth, but for the best sounding audio, grab yourself the receiver as well. Right now on Amazon Prime, got the Prime deals going on, and it's down to £56 for the pair. If the Prime deal's finished, they are £79, and still that's a pretty good price. And lastly then, to hold the camera, you're going to want either a hand tripod or a full-size tripod. So I've got quite an old battered Manfrotto tripod. This thing's going to set you back about £15. Or you can pick up a full-size tripod ranging from anywhere from £30 to kind of £75. You don't want to push the boat out too far just yet, right at the start of your journey. And I do use the newer LT07 as my full-size tripod. So when we're looking at prices then, we've got the lowest end scale, which is going to be £71. That's going to be for the mic, receiver and the hand tripod. Or we're going to push it up a little bit, and it's going to take us to £131 again for the mic, receiver and the full-size tripod. I'm not counting the phone, so like I say, it's in your pockets, so that's free. Moving on to the second option then, that is going to be DJI Action 5 Pro. Now the good thing with these is they're small, they're sleek, they're rugged. You can take them wherever you need to be able to do your films. So whether you're filming inside or you want to take it outside, this thing can handle it. And so this is the audio straight from the Action 5 Pro. And now inside, when there's no wind, it's not bad, it's actually pretty good. But you will always get the best quality from an external mic. So again, we're going to be connecting the DJI mic straight to the camera. And obviously the perfect thing with having the handheld tripod is you can place this wherever you want. With us being the beginner creators, is we don't have our studios, we don't have separate offices. So end of the day, we have to make do with what we got. And right now, my office is in my bedroom. But having the ability to move the camera around to get different angles, that is what it's all about sometimes. So this setup is going to slightly increase our overall cost value to the channel. Now again, Osmo Action 5 Pro, brand new, mic, receiver, handheld tripod, we're looking at £353, or with the big full-size tripod, £413. So you can see we are starting to increase what we're having to put into this channel. And when you are a brand new channel, sometimes that's a difficult pill to swallow. Well, talking about that, let's move on to number 3, which is going to be the Osmo Pocket 3. And here we go then. DJI wirelessly connected to the Pocket 3. Now the reason you don't need the receivers, you can use them, but DJI connectivity is fantastic. So you'll get the best quality even via the Bluetooth from the mic to the Osmo Pocket or the Action 5, but you won't get the best quality with the Bluetooth to the phone. So yeah, that's why I use the receiver for the phone. So if you don't want to use your phone and you do want to use one of these options, you could actually save yourself a couple of quid and not need to get the receiver and just buy a Mic Mini by itself. Now let's just get the pricing out of the way. Yeah, Pocket 3 is not cheap. This thing on the lower scale is going to set you back around £451, with the Pocket 3, the mic and the hand tripod, or £510 for the big tripod. But again, for me, the Pocket 3 can do things that the phone and the Osmo Action 5 Pro can't. Now the stabilisation on those two are fantastic. You can't really complain, but when this thing has got its own built-in gimbal, it just really elevates the quality that you can get out of your footage. You can walk around, you can run, and the footage still looks fantastic. Now another good thing with the Pocket 3 is there are so many different accessories you can get. This is actually on the magnet cage from Newer, so the AC015, and again it just enables you to place it in different locations that the hand tripod or the full-size tripod just wouldn't be able to reach. I will leave a link for all the kit down below, so if you do want to pick yourself anything up, go and grab it there. So I've decided to make this video just to help you guys out to realise that, you know what, sometimes you don't need the biggest, the most expensive kit out there to start your YouTube journey. Do it with what you got. Say, use your phone to start with. For me, there's other things that you should be learning and concentrating on before worrying about the upgrading your kit and equipment, from filming, editing, storytelling, and just talking to the camera in general, because sometimes this is genuinely the hardest part that you may not think would be that hard with making a YouTube video. But yeah, talking to a camera sometimes can be extremely difficult. So concentrate on all of those things first before hitting up the extra kit. Because let's face it, you might do YouTube for 2, 3, 6 months and think, you know what, it's not for me. So better that you spent £71 to learn that, rather than spending £3,400 on a full rig. And that number isn't just made up. This right here, this setup, £3,400. It's a lot of money. Plus then you add in the Pocket 3, the Action 5, the phone, the Action 4, the X3. Right. This world is a dangerous place to be. It's expensive. So yeah, start your journey what you got and enjoy it. Drop a comment below and tell me what your rig setup was for the very first video you ever made. Well guys, if you found it useful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.